Hello, I'm going to show you how to locate copyright-free photos and visuals for slide decks through the use of Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a site where you can locate things quickly. Go up here, search the Commons. These are the places where you can search for copyright-free materials. You click this, and then you just put in your topic. Let's say communication. Okay, that's the word you're looking for, an image. You go over, I use Google Images. Click here. And you have all kinds of images that might express what communication is about. So let's say you decide to pick an image like this. You have a choice. What I do is I save the image, and I've created a place for saving all my images. And I write in the name of it. I happen to have two others with the same name, so I go communication. This will be 3. Save. Back in my slides, I build a new slide. A new slide. And then I insert picture. I go to the site where I have the pictures. And I look for communication. You can see all the images that I've saved over time. There it is. The image is now inserted. You can increase its size. Then I go in and insert a text box. And as a business slide, you might be using a series of words or phrases with bullet points, and this relates to the picture. It's not that hard, and I hope this will assist you.